Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I know y'all missed me, but anyway, today I'm doing this wig revamp, and do y'all see that? Y'all, when I told y'all in that old video, don't pluck a river in y'all lace, that's exactly what I meant. Nah, I did not make this wig beforehand. Y'all see that, the color down music, because I just skipped all over that. But anyway, it's like French something. I inserted it again because it kind of went by fast. But, whew. Y'all, this is a weird revamp. I ain't gonna lie, I don't like doing these, but this wig actually came out real good compared to what y'all seen in the beginning. But all I'm doing is finna watercolor the top of it because the top of it look ashy to me, like it needs a little bit of lotion or something. So I'm finna just dip it on in there and get it right. But water down is pretty simple. Put your water in there, throw your wig in there, take it back out, and you're done. And then that's what I let it deep condition in. I don't know if I'm going to show it later in the video because I kind of recorded this a little while ago. So after I dyed the hair, I just rinsed out the dye. I rinsed out the dye or whatever, and I washed it with conditioner. The reason I washed it with conditioner because I found that shampoo makes the hair drier, and I'm trying to hold in all the moisture because this was 613 hair. And y'all know 613 hair can tend to be dry kinda. After I did that, all I did was sit it in the bag for about an hour and let it deep condition. And when I come back to y'all in this next clip, it's just really me styling the hair and how it look in the end. I ain't gonna try to talk too much though. Alright, with this part, we really just trying to get a whole new part without leaving that river left in it. But it worked in the end. I just showed y'all a little piece of me how it coming in, and then I just kind of got to work because I had appointments and all too. But baby, it came out raw. I ain't even lie. Okay, again with this wig, it honestly needed to hold the hairline. I did what I could do and made it look as best as I can. All I did was go in and pluck it some more kinda, and then that wax stick I did use in the beginning was from Get Laid by Vivica. But all I'm doing right here is just trying to pluck it a little bit because it don't look like the original hairline was plucked that much. But also like it was some shedding in the lace already because it's a space in the front of the lace with no hair at all on it. But excuse the background. My little brother probably gonna be in this video too. If he is, y'all just tell him hey. But first thing I'm doing is I'm trying to curl it or whatever. The reason why I curl that top part first is because usually you curl from the bottom up, what a lot of people do. And when you get ready to comb out the curls, the top, like your bang area, ain't set all the way. So that's why I just curled that one and went from the bike to the front. I mean, to the top. Y'all get what I'm saying. This part also optional, but sometimes I do use hold to spell my curls so they can hold a little bit longer, and so the curls will be like more defined and still pop when you take them out. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy and simple video. Like, share, subscribe, and comment and tell me what y'all want to see again so y'all can come by.